Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
And Shelby Rollins here.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Yeah, you know.
Do you?
You know what? How do you drink your, this is a heavy mug, but if this were not a heavier mug, how would you drink your,
Like how would I hold my coffee mug?
how would you hold your coffee mug or tea mug, whatever?
That's the way I'm holding it right now.
So take a drink. I do this, and I've been made fun of it so many times.
You get pinkies out like you're having high tea with the queen?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, you are classier than me.
Yeah.
So. Sometimes. Not if you listen to the nipples out story. Then I'm classier than you. You're going to need to watch the other reaction video for that one.
That comes out, especially if I have a martini or two, because I love a martini, which is
classy. You don't embarrass me.
Thanks.
You make me laugh, though.
Okay, good. That's the whole point. Hopefully there's no embarrassment out there, but we're going to be embarrassed if they don't do what?
Hit subscribe.
That's right. Hit that subscribe button right now. It's crazy how many of you watch this show but don't subscribe to it. So just do us a favor, hit that subscribe.
Oh, my.
We've been growing and growing
That
like
is
leaps and bounds.
inappropriate.
Right? And you're, what'd I say?
No, I'm telling the people.
Oh, I thought I said.
You're like, so many of you watch the video and don't subscribe. I was like,
I thought
my.
I somehow said we've been growing and growing and it became inappropriate somehow, but I don't know how. I mean, anywho, hit these buttons.
Yep.
Also, we started podcasts. You want to listen along, follow along.
You really do.
It's on its own playlist here.
Say that every
Also,
time.
anywhere you find podcasts out there where you stream it. All about the music business, the ins and outs, the tips.
It's really interesting.
It's very interesting. This is fun and playful.
We are really interesting.
We are.
But our guests are even more so.
Absolutely. So, and that channel's a little more, and that show's a little more, structured to give content that's valuable. Educational, but we also have fun on there too.
It's fun. Yep.
This is just pure fun for us though, right? Mm-hmm. And we hope you guys have fun too. So hit those buttons, follow us over on Patreon as well. Who we got today, Shelby? Let's let the people know.
We're going to watch a Coke Studio.
Love these Coke Studios. This is Coke Studio Pakistan. And it is Turri
Season
Jandi.
15, and the people love Season 15.
You guys are loving some Season 15 out there.
There's a lot of comments on the last one about Season 15, so let's give the people what they want.
See what's up.
Season 15.
Turri? Is this his name?
I think so, yeah, Turri.
Ooh, that's cool. This
It's like his brain's playing this.
instrument situation.
It's also kind of, oh.
That feels very Matrixy back there.
Yeah. I like that font.
Shazia Manzoor Hassan Rahim.
Whoa.
These videos are so cool. Oh, I like his suit. The drummer. Slick.
Okay, come on. That was cool. Little triplets in there.
We couldn't do those triplets with the translation. Not enough syllables.
No, yeah.
They're all playing with these things. I don't even know what they are.
I love that smokiness on her voice.
It's like that way it hits your palate, texture in the back.
Yeah.
I like it. It's like a good bourbon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm enjoying the percussion.
Whoa.
Scene change.
I like it. Oh.
That's trippy. Whoa.
Wow.
This is really cool production.
It's next level.
Yeah. I'm always trying to follow the storyline too.
I know, me too.
And the subtitles help, but I'm also still like, what does it mean? We're back to the Matrix.
I have more questions now.
So many more questions.
Wow.
I completely
So all that was
agree.
in his head? He was creating
I guess
all
so.
that, I guess.
Yeah, like a dream, maybe.
But also, how cool would it be to have a bar like that, where everyone plays an instrument and is part of the song that's happening?
Yeah.
Should we
That
make
was
that
cool.
here in Nashville?
That would be a great idea, actually, because it's,
Yeah.
like Music City.
Yeah.
Very on brand. Oh, okay, we have a new business idea.
What is it?
That.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were... That's a great business idea. Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
This
This was a cool song, and I actually really enjoyed like the vibe of it. Again, I was trying to, and I always do this. This is how my musical brain probably works, or visual brain, is I'm trying to connect the dots storyline wise between the song and the video, and
Yeah.
so I did not follow that completely. I'm going to be completely honest.
I think
because
that's
I'm
probably...
reading all of the subtitles, and I know stuff gets lost in translation literally, but I still thoroughly enjoyed it.
But isn't that also just like being in your brain?
Yeah, that's true.
There's a lot of subtitles, but do you really understand it all?
No, and inside of dreams don't always make a lot of sense.
True. So it was just like a nice little layer of like, it was like a sheet cake. You know, sheet cakes has like a nice little
like a
layer of
sheet
icing
cake.
on top. Because
Yeah,
I love icing.
yeah, like a good Texas.
I'd rather have the
sheet
icing
cake.
than the cake. But a sheet cake, you just like that nice little thin layer.
Now I want cake.
That's
and
what that
I'm
was.
like not having sugar right now,
Oh, dang
and
it.
that was.
I would love
annoying.
to have some cake too, but we don't have any cake. But speaking of cake, actually Coke Studio, this is fantastic. Season 15 is great.
This is their brand
Can't
new
wait to see
release,
more.
right? Was this
yeah,
one?
It's so
Yeah,
good.
really,
Definitely
really cool.
more coming your way. So hit the subscribe button.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot consonate my S's today. Hit the subscribe button.
There you go.
And
You got it.
more Coke Studio coming your way. And more of me and Shelby. Great to be with you today, Shelby.
You as well.
Till next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Shelby Rollins.
We're Vocal Lab Collective.